All right, welcome back. We're here in Arizona, Chandler, Arizona. Kyrene Bowl, Bolero Kyrene for the Agent Ong Open, the Trilogy, the third tournament. I bowled last year for the first time. This is my second year here. We got 6 games of qualifying. 3 squads have already bowled. Scores are low, 35 feet, 1.3 to 1. Apparently they're tough. Troop's bowling, Simo's bowling. Troop already put up a squad. He's got about 140 over, so he's a really good bowler, but that means there's something there. We'll see. I think the number's like 100 under at the moment. 4 more squads after this, I think. 3 more squads. But we have the 2-game sweepers tonight, and we're gonna bowl them both. I'm gonna break down this tournament for you guys as we go, but we're bowling 6 games first. Hopefully put up a number, and we'll just relax tomorrow. Oh God, get real lucky. I don't know why people are saying they're hard. I'm probably bowling a quality 2 out of 10 game right now. I'm just talking out of my ass. They are pretty hard. That was good. I don't know why I don't just move left, because it's hooked every time.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I guess Brooklyn was the play. That's a pretty on par 209 game. 1,000,000 strikes for nothing. So it begins. I hit the pocket every shot with that ball the first game, and I went, I'm gonna throw the blue one. So. Did the rack hit it? Well, I guess it's only a yes if we pick it up. It's about par for the course. It probably should have been 5 anyways. I'll take it, I'll give it.
I'm not sure if you're happy or you're going to take that game.
That's a good score. I'll take that. As far as happy, I'm just never happy. All right, plus a little bit after 2, not bad. That was the best one of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, sorry to take you away from the video. I just wanted to take a moment to thank this video sponsor, DraftKings Casino. The #1 casino experience just got even better. Cash Eruption has arrived at DraftKings Casino. Want to jump in on the fun? Here's how. Open up the App Store, search DraftKings Casino, and hit download. Sign up, browse the games, and enjoy. Turn up the heat with DraftKings Casino. Play the fan favorite classic Cash Eruption, or explore exciting games like Big Bank and Rey Picante del Pollo. Red Hot Reels are live at DraftKings Casino, the ultimate destination for non-stop Cash Eruption excitement. Like I said, DraftKings Casino is the home of Cash Eruption, featuring the largest collection with 10+ Cash Eruption titles. New players play $5 and get 500 spins over 10 days on Cash Eruption games. New players get 50 spins a day for 10 days. Sign up using my promo code Darren. Stay in on the action and check out all the other exciting games DraftKings Casino has to offer, like live dealer blackjack and more. DraftKings Casino not available in your state yet? No worries. Get in on the action with DraftKings Daily Fantasy to have a shot at winning huge cash prizes. Check it out now, use my code, and don't forget to play responsibly. Let's get back to the video. Oh, go. God, I did not hate that either. No, get lucky. All right, good game. Oh my God. Is there an absent or?
Yeah, he's a fine jockey.
Come on, let's go. It's time to bowl.
Get locked in, bro.
I'm trying to get locked in after we're done. It's pretty good. Okay, you could just right off. Maximum penalty, no matter what. Try to salvage some here. I feel like I'm getting pretty damn hard this game. Woo! What a game. 150. That's unfortunate. That's very bad for brackets too. Hopefully we crush them in the first set. Oh, help. Thank you. That wasn't very good. Very good result. How are you?
Good, man. How's the 2 in the game feel? Obviously winning a little bit
Pretty
right
good,
now.
pretty good. I mean, I don't think it feels any better when you beat EJ, so.
You're happy with the change, obviously?
Oh, yeah. I already feel like I'm just as good as I was one-handed. It's kind of scary, honestly.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great.
I still have the same misses and. I told you, same miss. Catch. I would have been very happy with a 10 pin there. Off my hand, like 10 pin? We're cool. Every time it's this way, man. This has to stay right here and it's fine. Maybe. Come on. Oh. Just gotta commit to it, man. Don't bail out. We commit and move forward. No. The amount of times I've had the front 4 today and I have no 220 games. that's special.
That was good.
That was pretty good. Finally throwing some good ones. Christ, man, why is every f***ing miss this way? Every f***ing time. Dude, you're f***ing terrible. My God. All right, we got plus a little bit. It should be enough to make the cut. Very disappointed in myself, just not making very good shots down the stretch. The same exact hit in the 10th frame, 2 games in a row. I had 240 out and had 210 to finish. Had a pretty nasty 150 in there. I pretty much floored every game. I didn't have really any well-bowled games, I feel like. I don't think anything was clean either. A lot of over-the-top misses are really expensive because they're hard. It's just gonna force me to be a little bit better. We should make the cut. Probably gonna bowl again tomorrow just to get the reps in, and then, yeah, we got the 2-game sweepers tonight, so I'm gonna go let off some steam because I'm pretty angry right now. Q, you need to work on your mental game, people in the comment section. Yeah, they're hard. Just didn't really make, I mean, I know they're hard, but I didn't really make the shots in the 10th frame. Just gonna have to focus up a little bit. I've never really been good on travel days, so we'll take that. Hi, Fitz.
Hey, what's up? Coming in a weird spot.
We got 2-game sweeper incoming. We got one hell of a cross. We got about Landon. Where's Landon? There he is. We got Troop incoming. I heard earlier he's got a YouTube channel now, so check out the Kyle Troop YouTube channel. To the moon. Anyways, what a dirty cross. All right. A little.
How many 2 pins really?
Man, a lot. Whoa. Chop. Lina.
Really that different? Something like that?
I mean, I just felt like I had to like mash on it with the red one, so. Just a little.
Just a tad.
Just a touch. Why is it a f***ing big 4 every time? That wasn't even that f***ing bad. All right, we're streaking now. That's 3 big 4s in a row in the 10th. All right, if you're just perfect every time, you gotta blow at least 194. First good break of the night. Don't do it again, man. I think it just needs to be a full send. Just throw that black ball.
Pretty good at those,
Man, I'm glad my thumb still works. This pair sucks. All right, we're gonna take the risk.
No risk, no reward.
Not sure how many more this is gonna hook, but 3, 4. Thank you. Oh, that's not good. Great result. Okay. Oh, you suck. I suppose that's a f***ing positive. Off the big four, Schneid. Off. Get me out. Get me out. No need to be here anymore. I'm cooked, guys. I'm running on fumes. I think it's just gone. So we're not gonna bowl the second sweeper. That was bad. We have 170, 190. No money. Hopefully we don't die in brackets, but I think that was a losing affair. So we're gonna chalk it up, and we're gonna go to the Arizona State Fair. All right, I'm just gonna talk to you guys while I get ready. Bowled last night. You guys aren't gonna see it. Tried to bowl for a little bit of info. Yeah, I got some info. They played much harder. They felt earlier. They felt flatter. I got more frustrated, which one of the goals was to take it one shot at a time and really focus on the next shot, which I did for 4 games. I think I ran out of patience points, so that's not good. So today, it is only 4 games before we cut to the bracket. Hopefully we have enough patient points and enough actual points to make it to the bracket, and then we'll run it head to head. I think there's buys, so we want to be in the top 8. Let's just play the game. We've tried a couple of different game plans and breaking the lanes down. The first time we just tried to cook them to the right. The second time I tried to throw my mix up the middle of the lane, which I felt like was okay. I did the same thing the other night. I don't know what. It was just an execution thing or what happened, but it wasn't quite as good, so I'm not really sure what the play is tonight.
You gonna tear him out tonight?
Gosh, I hope so.
Do it.
I've yet to tear anything up. I feel like I'm tearing myself up more than anything. I'll be all right today. All right, we got black and we got blue.
Tear him up.
Thank you, sir.
Remember I was busting your balls about you going two-handed
Sure.
like last year?
Thank you.
Really?
Appreciate it. I think it was my calling.
It could be. It's just incredible. It looks like you've been doing it all your life.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Good luck today.
Yeah, you as well. It's not just a cop-out, guys. It actually works. Lots of benefits that come with bowling with 2 hands. I don't know why the mics keep turning off on their own. I am technologically insufficient. I don't know where my chamois is. I think I left it down there. Well, if we get them all, maybe. Well, I tried. And this is probably why you miss the cut at the US Open every f***ing year. You don't know how to hit a f***ing target. Boga guys. I got a lot of work to do. Very frustrating. Again, welcome. You need to work on your mental game, coaches, in the comment section. It can always be better, you know? It's very frustrating. And yeah, I'm a professional and I'm supposed to be better, but this is what we go through. You know, I'm no different than a lot of the other guys, and we're all working on it. So I need to be better. I need, you know, my targeting needs to be better. I need to be able to commit to just throwing it down a line. My bread and butter is ball reaction, figuring out miss, MOE, stuff like that. And people events like this, on patterns like this, and buildings like this, you just don't have that. And it's very US Open-esque, so I need to learn how to get better at hitting a target. Maybe I gotta go visit Norm for a little bit, have him teach me. But it's the same thing, one-handed, two-handed, it's all the same for me. I was never really a shot maker. Could I make a shot in the moment? Sure, but I wasn't a guy that, you know, you put out something like this and I can just hit my target 8 to 9 times a game. I'm definitely playing for some area, so that's something that I'm gonna work on when I go home. Shout out to Carl for putting on this event. They're always tough. As much as I say it was miserable, the challenge is welcome, no matter how frustrating it is. You know, at the end of the day, I look back and go, you know, that was tough, and there's a lot of holes to fill. So we're gonna go home and try to fill them a little bit at a time, and hopefully next time we see something like this, we'll go a little bit better. On to the next one. This one stings, not even making match play, but hey, we're gonna have weeks like this. That's the roller coaster we ride when we play this game. So I'll see you next time.